Hey there fellas, JJ here. The old 1983 Mustang GL, Foxbody, SSP, police package, whatever you want to call it. Little notch, but anyway, I was just gonna shoot a quick video, show you guys where I'm at, what I'm trying to do, where I want to go with it. Some issues you guys might can help me with, maybe help me track down some parts, but without further ado, I'll go through here. So right now, as you can see, I got the dash and instrument cluster, glove box, all that stuff's out. And this car didn't come with the center console, but someone stole my seat after my grandpa passed away. This was sitting out in his salvage yard. Someone stole the seat out of it. He actually, I got these from a guy locally. I got both red ones, but I want to go back with the blue vinyl. The other thing is he started putting a lot of GT stuff on it. Put these nice doors. I mean, they work good. They're not hooked up, but you know, I run a battery to them. They work fine. I just I want to go back manual doors, manual locks, manual windows. I think that's what it had in it. And one of the issues that I was having there was this right here. You can see this after I cleaned this, it's been polished. May end up buying one of those new off of Fox Resto, but got all the GT stuff off of it. Got the tail lights out of it. I did find some rust right up under there and in the deck lid. So I'll be searching for a deck lid. Need a LX bumper cover. New taillight lenses. I tried to order from LMR, CJ Pony. They're all out of stock and they have been for a while. I may have to end up going to eBay. Gonna have to go back with the original molding. I need the tailpipes. Let me see, it's got the regular cell panel windows because it is 83. Had a GT front end on it. I took that off. I got this black hood at the salvage yard. Not bad. I picked it up for, I think it's $100. It's got one dent in it. This front end was actually given to me by someone somewhat local down in North Georgia, and really nice dude. After I'd messaged him, told him the story of what I was wanting to do, told him, you know, that I'd like to buy it, and he said, I'm not gonna actually let you even buy it. And I was like, well, and he said, just come get it. I want to give it to you because that's an awesome story, and so that was really awesome. And so far, the car does run. Well, not at the moment. I got the carb was garbage on it. I noticed the plugs that are on there are actually date coded 1983 still. It ran fine. It just wasn't idling, and it was carb issues. Someone taken the factory plate off here, and it's got that little I don't know what that little oval hole is there, but so that wasn't sealed off good, so it wasn't running right. But I got the Holley Sniper EFI kit. Probably end up doing a different intake, just because I've heard the Holley plays better with the dual plane. So there's that. Like I said, got the GT stuff off of it. I'd like to trade the doors. I actually have 3 sets of doors, but none of them are the original doors that came on the car. And it is a factory, I think it was Polar White GL. Like I said, manual windows, center console delete. I had the blue vinyl and the wood grain though, like a normal GL did. But the seats are in rough shape. I like to keep them original though, so gonna get like some type of either get someone at a upholstery shop to redo me some, or just get some good covers that at least somewhat period correct. They don't have to be the GL stitching, I don't guess. But so that's kind of where I'm at. Need a bunch of stuff, so I got to get a dash. Or a dash pad, I should say, instrument cluster piece. Man, I'm trying to think here. And the doors, try to get those either traded to someone or something done. But the car runs good. The AC did work 7 years ago. This car set for at least 7 years that I remember. But so had that. Had a little bit of rust on the inner fender. I think you guys seen that. You can see I got a little bit of rust trying to come through here. I did take that off. It's actually not that bad. I'm right in the light, but it's not that bad. Mostly surface stuff. It just needs to be cleaned up under the hood. New cap, all that good stuff. Like I said, probably end up just getting a new intake. Just something small. Want it to look factory. I did find this in the trunk, the factory air cleaner top, but I don't have the bottom, so I'll be also searching for one of those. Like I said, I want to try if everything will work out with the Holly, even with the shortest Edelbrock intake I can get, or Wyand. I'll end up doing that. But yeah, Elcar, it needs a lot, but like I said, it's just going back stock. And also I got 2 sets of 10-hole wheels. The other set's cleaner, but the tires are garbage on them. These are nothing wrong with them. They just need to be cleaned up really good. So if anyone has factory 14-inch Stillies with the bands, I can actually get new old stock centers from Fox Resto as well. So if anybody has anything like that, or a good lead on something that looks factory that'll accept those dishes that are in 15s, that'd be fine too. That'd probably actually be a little bit better. But like I said, just going back stock, nothing crazy. Maybe put exhaust on it, Holly EFI, that's gonna be it. And you know, it'll just be quiet, regular LX dual exhaust, but not terrible. If it hadn't been for the squirrels getting in here, you can see what they done to the rear deck lid, or the rear deck in the back. Kind of chewed through it, but nothing too major. Good place to start. A lot of work. You guys know that. Shut the hood. You guys look at it here. You see that dent on it up there? But yeah, so most of the body parts are together though. That's the main thing. Get the body parts on it, get the brakes fixed. That's another thing. Have no pressure at all. The lines are pretty crumbly, so needs all new rubber lines, probably new booster, new master cylinder. So, but hey man, somewhere to start. Appreciate you guys listening to the ramble. Hope you guys are having a good week. It's JJ, Justin Johnson, out here around Chattanooga, Tennessee, man. Right over here by the Chattanooga Choo Choo. Just gonna show you this old Sheriff's Patrol car. All right, y'all have a good afternoon. Bye-bye.